friends and family. If you are new to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing to actually support your girl Rena May here at Rena May's Kitchen. So today we're gonna do some shrimp that I'm gonna smoke on the grill. So I have some pineapple juice from the fresh pineapple bowls that I did yesterday. I have some tomatoes, a little bit of cilantro, and some onions and stuff in there as well that I'm pouring in. I'm gonna put some more cilantro over in it, and then I'm gonna put some dill over in it. This dill is gonna give it a nice, sweet, different type of flavor that we definitely need. And I hope everybody is having a beautiful, blessed, prosperous day. And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rena May's Kitchen. Alright, this is still Mother's Day weekend. I'm still getting it in. So we're using maple bacon seasoning. Just gonna season that just a little bit. Now you don't have to be heavy-handed. It looks like I'm being heavy-handed, but I'm actually not. You know, sister girl been doing this a long time. So I got that. Now we have some tomato basil seasoning that I'm just gonna put over in it. Now this tomato basil is gonna give it that nice, it's gonna tie it in with the tomatoes that I just put in here. And you know basil is an Italian season. And then we have our onion butter complete, which give it that nice onion flavor, and it has the complete seasoning as well. Just gonna take this top off. Now if you don't know what you're doing, don't take the top off because you can get heavy-handed. And we're actually just gonna go ahead and mix this all up. I wish you guys can smell this. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Now I am going to put them in individual little pans on the grill, so that way it can continue to saute and be nice and good. Alright, put a little bit of this, more of this maple bacon seasoning on there. I got my cameraman with me today, my son, sidekick. So I'm just putting. Now I got these little pans from Walmart in the barbecue section. You can get them from the dollar store as well. But the ones from the dollar store, sometimes they are hard to find. So I know I can find them at Walmart. And it's only $1.99. So put a little bit more in here. Just even it out. Alright, you guys, another meal under $20 for you and your family, and a quick 20-minute meal as well.